Welcome to Alchemie's Epiphany dashboard, where you can create assignments and monitor student progress. Before we begin, if you do not yet have a course code for your students, you will need to fill out the form in the description below and we will set one up for you. If you have already received a course code, sign in using the same email and password that you used to set up your account in the Mechanisms app. Once you are signed in, you will see your class or classes that are associated with the course code. From here, you can view and edit your classes. Let's go ahead and view it first. From this page, you can create a new assignment and monitor student progress. To make a new assignment, click on the Add New Assignment button. This brings you to the assignment editor. You can add a title for your assignment and enter the dates and times you want it to start and be due. You can then choose from any of the available puzzles in the Mechanisms app. The puzzle categories are arranged in alphabetical order, and the puzzles are listed below, along with the task cards, ChemDraw schemes, and a quick description for each one. You can choose any number of the puzzles for the assignment by clicking on each one you want to include. You can even choose from multiple categories for the same assignment. After you are finished, click on the Save Assignment button at the bottom. This will then take you back to the class view, where you can see your new assignment under class standings, which includes assignments, scores, and the ability for the standings to be exported as a CSV. If you click on the clipboard next to the assignment, a window will pop up which will allow you to copy and paste the assignment into your learning management system or in an email to your students. If you click on a specific assignment number, you will be able to see the score each student earned in the Mechanisms app, as well as the puzzle number and the category type, which is displayed using the color key at the bottom of the screen. You can even monitor student progress in real time for in-class assignments by refreshing this page. If stars appear red, that means the puzzle was completed after the due date. You can click on the stars to see the date, time, number of moves, and score for each attempt a student made to complete the puzzle. By going to the Edit Assignment button, you can change the title, due date, and select or deselect puzzles. If at any point you have trouble with the dashboard or mechanisms, you can click on the navigation bar in the top right corner to access our support center. Please subscribe to our channel. Check out www.alchem.ie for tips and posts about using mechanisms in your class, and feel free to reach out with any questions.